Chapter 7. Measurement and Measuring Equipment. Suppose your father tells you to buy shoes for your brother or sister. Can you buy shoes for him or her without an idea of the exact size of his or her feet? No, you cannot, because the shoes may be smaller or bigger than the required size. In our daily life, we need to know the exact size and quantity of things. We need to know the length, weight, or the volume of various things used by us. A century ago, people used handspan, cubit, footstride, etc. to measure things. These are non-standard units because the length of body may vary from person to person. Let's know about some standard units of measurement and measuring equipments. How to measure length? We use a measuring tape, meter rod, or a ruler in order to measure different lengths. Smaller lengths are measured in meters, m, centimeters, cm, and millimeters, mm. Very long distances are measured in kilometers, km, and miles. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. How to measure weight? In order to measure weight, we use a balance or a weighing machine. The units for measuring mass are milligrams, mg, grams, gm, and kilograms, kg. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 1 ton is equal to 1000 kilograms. How to measure volume? We measure liquids like oil, milk, petrol, water, kerosene, etc. in volume. The volume of a liquid is measured by using containers whose volume is known. This is because a container can hold only a fixed amount of liquid. Containers with different shapes may have the same capacity. Volumes of liquids are measured in milliliters and liters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. How to measure time? To measure time, we use a wristwatch, table clock, or a wall clock. The units for measuring time are seconds, s, minutes, m, and hours, h. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 year is equal to 365 upon 4 days. 1 leap year is equal to 366 days. How to measure temperature? Temperature means how hot or cold something is. Temperature can be measured by using a thermometer. The units for measuring temperature are called degree Celsius, degree C, or degree Fahrenheit, degree F. A room thermometer measures a large range of temperature. A clinical thermometer is used to measure the temperature of our body. Points to remember. We use standard units to measure different things. Weight is measured in grams and kilograms. Volume is measured in liters and milliliters. Time is measured in seconds, minutes, and hours. Temperature is measured with the help of a thermometer.